Yes, we recommend to use our LightPlex bond-lightening system prior to a color switch color application. Important: do not exceed the recommended amount of number 2 product. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice with visible repair shampoo before using the neutralizing product, visible repair in salon treatment. Rinse thoroughly. Continue with your color switch application. Number 2 product is playing in the same territory as a semi-permanent color. That means at the outer layer of the hair strand, the cuticle. If you fill it up too much with care ingredients, no space left for the semi-permanent color to attach to the hair. The outcome may be color shifting or reduced long lasting.